Okay, I was in the middle of working on a video, and suddenly a tornado warning went off. Right? Okay. My lights flashed, and yep. And it appears that, well, where I'm sitting, was in a tornado warning. Okay. And and what you're hearing in the background is the local radio telling me all about what I'll show you what I saw. Okay. And I'm trying to look hard. Okay, is there a tornado around my ass? Okay, am I gonna get blown away here or what? But anyhow, I stopped the video I was working on, shut down the computer, got my cam out, and said, okay, we'll stand here and get blown away. I didn't get blown away, as you can see, I'm here, so, but I'll show you what I saw. Okay? But what can I say? I mean, interfered with my working on a video. That's alright, no big deal. I can start that shit over anytime, but I found this quite interesting. But watch out. Shit. This fucking shit's getting strong. see a ship. Now this is one hell of a damn storm. I think it was evening time already, and it's not. This dark at 3:30 in the afternoon. That's fucking pretty interesting, huh? Some people are crazy enough to be out driving in it. Oh, look at this ship. It is coming hard. Yes, that was the tornado sirens. We are under tornado warning, which means a tornado been spotted somewhere. But with all this, you couldn't see it if you wanted to. Most you can do is sit back and watch and hope and pray. Now, if I get blown away, of course, you know we're going to go together with this damn camera, ain't I? This thing pass over is pretty quick like and get the hell out of here, I'll tell you that right now. It is coming down hard. My son should be coming home from school, but I'll bet you he's not. If the school's got any brains that hold him. They won't let him out of that dang school, not until this stuff passes by. We probably had a 20-25 degree drop in temperature. It was an easy 80 degrees when I come home here about an hour and a half ago. And it's nowhere near 80 degrees now. And that would be why we have tornadoes. getting a little lighter than what it was. So maybe the brunt of this storm's getting by us. So I'll tell you what, it's getting a little lighter out than what it was. There a minute ago, I couldn't see shit. Okay, well, according to the radio here, the tornado was just outside of where I'm at, okay? It was on the ground. Primgar, which is only about 6 miles or so from me. 6, 7 miles. Not too far. I guess their power's completely out. The tornado went through right around that in that area, which was right on top of me. Okay? But it got so dark, I'm telling you what. It got so freaking dark that if the tornado was here during the daytime, I don't think I'd have saw the damn thing. I think I just had to get a parachute out, man, and go with it. What can I say? But anyhow, you saw what I saw. Wasn't much to see outside of some very, very, very hard rain, hard blowing wind, and couldn't see shit. But I wasn't the only one, man. There was people right down below me sitting in their trucks watching and playing it out, same as I was, you know. For me, it's like I'd run to my truck, but, you know, where are you going to drive? Into it, you can't see the damn thing. So I thought I'll just film it and get blown away with it. What can I say?